everyone, in today's video I will show you how to sort your emails by sender in Outlook. So first open your Microsoft Outlook, either the desktop app or a web version. Sign in to your account and head over to your inbox where you will see all your email listed. At the top of your email list, look for the sorting icon. It's a small up and down arrow. Select from the drop down menu Form and then this will instantly rearrange your inbox so emails are grouped by senders. Want it in order? Just click on the arrow again and choose A to Z, listed senders alphabetically or Z to A for reverse order. And that's it, you have quickly sorted your Outlook email by sender, making it much easier to find manage messages from specific people. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.